Hello guys, here we will gonna fix KMODE exception not handled in Windows 10. To solve this issue, we will go to Start and type Device Manager. Click on this. Okay, now from the given list, search for network adapter. Expand it, then simply right click on Network Connections. Click on Properties. Now from the tab list, select Driver tab. Then click on Update Driver and select this option. It will take some time. After all, close all windows and restart your computer. Now you have to keep pressing F8 key on your keypad. It will take you to automatic repair mode. Now select advanced option. Then select troubleshoot and then click on advanced option. Now startup settings and now click on restart here. After pressing F5, you will go to safe mode. You have to press Windows plus R, then type msconfig and click on OK. Here select Services tab. From the given list, find out ELAN services and uncheck these services. Finally click on Apply and then OK. Restart your computer. It will definitely solve your problem. You are good to go.